Peanut butter and jelly no-bake cheesecake might be my most requested dessert when we have get-togethers. Start out by crushing up a pack of Nutter Butters. Honestly, I use the generic for the crust just because they're cheaper. I just throw them in a gallon Ziploc bag, and then I add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Get that all mixed around. I put a little parchment paper in the bottom of my 9-inch springform, and then just use a glass to kind of tamp all that down. For the edges, though, I use the Real Deal Nutter Butters. They line up better and help hold that cheesecake filling in. I forget the exact number, but it takes around 18 to 20. Set that aside. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 3 blocks of cream cheese. I like to get it a little softened, some vanilla extract, and then a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Beat all that together. You can use creamy or crunchy. I think crunchy is superior. You need around 30 ounces of peanut butter total. That's 2 of the regular size jars. Beat that in before adding 16 ounces of thawed Cool Whip. And honestly, I go generic on a lot of this stuff just to save money. It's not the cheapest dessert to make, but it's very dense and it will feed quite a few people. 1.5 tubes of jelly. I like to use the tube because the way it disperses it allows it to spread out easier. Half of your cheesecake filling, and then we're going to add some more of that jelly. You can get by with 1 tube of this jelly, but I think 1.5 tubes is a sweet spot. I've made this thing about 10 times now, and that seems to work the best. If you want the full written recipe, you can get on my website, cookerofdeliciousness.com. Add the rest of that filling and some more jelly on top. Put this in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. The longer, the better. I promise if you try this, you will absolutely love it.